Now, we'll set it up against our template. Our template's on this end. And what we want to do is grasp the corner and the end and pull that taut so that we get a straight line along this edge. And then fold the excess material, the bulky stuff, here until you get a straight line across the top. Now this is where our template comes in handy. We want to fold in just enough so that it's going to fit on half of our shelf. And you want to make that even all the way down. And then we have the width here. You can eye that and see that. And we're going to fold in on the top. And then we'll fold in on the bottom, fold again, and then finish the fold like that. Let me show you that again. You fold down about the width of the shelf, and then on the other end we're going to fold a little bit smaller so that we can judge a fold that will be a half and half, and then we sandwich the two together, and that will fit perfectly on a half of a shelf.